Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ansi. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor from Wayanad district. I'm doing this video just to make the people aware about the immune system. What do you mean by immune system? Or how can we boost our immune system? Right now, in the present situation, immune system is playing a major role because we are all facing, or the whole mankind is facing, a pandemic called COVID-19. You know, the outbreak of such a small virus is making people to suffer like hell. So, how can you prevent, or how can you make yourself healthy? By using small daily routines or the food items which we use daily. It is always important to have a good health. To have good health, we should have a good immune system, because our immune system is the one which plays the major role to keep us healthy and live healthy. As you all know, prevention is always better than cure. We say that, but we never do. As far as my knowledge now, until now, there is no medicine for COVID-19 as of now. So boosting the immune system of ourselves is the only way to keep us healthy. In this situation only, Ayurveda is having a major role, because Ayurveda shows us how to live our life healthily, or how to prevent the diseases. How can we be healthy? Following 3 simple things will keep us healthy. What are all they? 1. Food. Yes, of course, the simple food which we have daily, that is the one thing which helps us to prevent diseases, to keep us healthy. Eating the food in proper timing, proper quantity, in a good quality will help us prevent the diseases, or rather it will enhance our immune system. You can see a lot of spices, different types of spices on the table. Garlic, turmeric, cumin seeds, pepper, cardamom, cloves, ginger, gooseberries, lemons. See all these stuffs. This will enhance our immunity. In ancient tradition, or rather in our kitchen, normally these are all the stuffs we use regularly. Second thing is doing simple exercises, but it needs to be in a regular basis. If we follow the exercises daily, or practicing yoga, will help us to prevent the diseases, and that will boost our immune system. Yes, of course, the third one, sleep. Sleep is very important for us. Without sleep, you can't be healthy. But at the same time, if you are not sleeping in the night and you are sleeping in the morning hours, will not help you. So these 3 things, food, exercises, proper sleep, this will bring us good health, as well as it will help us to improve our immunity. I would say there is one more thing. We must leave our stress, because we all are stressed. The stress is giving one of the main trouble to weaken our immune system. We can't be away from the stress, but we must be able to cope up with that. By doing meditation, by doing yoga, we can really fight this condition. So by doing all those things, we can be healthy. And Ayurveda shows us the way, or the daily regimens, seasonal regimens, to stay healthy. So follow Ayurveda, stay with us, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.